Hello guys, welcome to School Tech Discovery. It's been a very long time. Today I brought to you a very special stuff. So many people they are not aware that you can actually download any kind of application of your choice other than Play Store. A lot of people who are using the Android phones, they think that if you want to download an application, it has to be from Play Store. But let me tell you something. In this video, you are going to be learning how you can use all the sources to install applications on your phone. Other applications you can install other applications as well using another application apart from Play Store. Now, there's something I want you guys to know. If you're new to my channel, what I do is that I go out there to make extensive research on how to make money online and so many other unique things. And when I get this stuff tested and trusted, I bring it for you guys to benefit. So if you're new to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button below. It helps me, it encourages me to do more videos. And smash the like button if you like this video. If there's any way this video gives you any knowledge or any impact to you, kindly smash the like button. It helps me a lot for YouTube to recommend my videos to other interested persons to watch. So without any further ado, let's quickly get to business. Now I'm going to be opening Play Store. Like you see, Play Store is the application that has so many applications that you can download. Now, Play Store, I think, is owned by Google, if I'm not mistaken. But it's something I want you to know. In Play Store, there are things like applications that you pay for. There are some applications that you have to pay before you can download it. Now, that is the reason I decided to do this video, because in life we always aim for profit making, okay, and we try as much as possible to cut our expenses, and that is what my channel is all about, teaching you how to make money as well as how to cut expenses. So let's say, for example, this is Starbucks styling. Okay, and now I want to download Starbucks styling, but here it says I have to pay. Now I don't have such kind of money. For instance, how do I get to download that application? Or maybe I have the money, but I do not know how to connect it to Play Store, and I really need this app. How do I go about this? It's very simple. Okay, sometimes your application as well, your Play Store application may be having problem. You can access it. Yeah, there are people like that can't access their Play Store. So what I want to teach you guys right now, I want to show you all the forms of applications like this Aptoide that you can use to download applications of your choice. Take note, not all application that you want you may see in some other applications I will be recommending for you, but trust me, I'm going to be giving you 3 ways of downloading applications, and believe me, in those 3 ways you must see one way of downloading whatever you want. Trust me. So this app, you will not see it on Play Store, because Play Store don't keep such kind of this thing, because they don't want you to have this knowledge. Did you see anything like Aptoide? No result for Aptoide. Here are some apps you might like. Can you see it here? So, and also there's something I want you to know. Sometimes you may search application in Play Store, you may not see it. That's because it's not on Play Store, or it's not registered on Play Store. And also sometimes Play Store, there are some applications that's for specific countries. Okay, Like let me give you an example. This US application called Google Pay, US application called Google Pay. You see, um, Google Pay, it's actually for US and all the kinds of like India, I think so, UK, I don't know. But you can see we don't have Google Pay here. Okay, we have PayPal, but we can't find Google Pay. I'm going to be showing you guys Google Pay right now on my phone. I think I have Google Pay. If I'm not mistaken, maybe I deleted it. Okay, okay, you see, this is Google Pay. Okay, guys, it's known as GPay. This is the original Google Pay. Okay, but right now you see this is GPay. That's not it. There are other applications people develop. Okay, but the real US Google Pay, if you're in India, you search Google Pay, you will see it. If you are in the countries that the app support, you may see it. But most times, if your country is not so, guys, you see, that's what I'm saying. Now you can see Aptoide. So how can you download this Aptoide? The number one first method I'm going to be teaching you guys is using the APK way of downloading. So let's go to our browser. You can open Phoenix, okay, or rather any kind of browser you have. You just open it. Let's use Chrome. So you see now, yeah, the Chrome stuff is opening right now. All you gotta do is just to you search the name of the application you want to download. For example, we want to download that Google Pay I told you about. You gotta search uh, Google Pay APK download. APK APK download, or rather APK pure. Okay, APK pure download. Okay, so take your time, watch this video from the starting to the ending for better comprehension. So you don't have to miss any part if you really want to understand how to the stuffs. And for all the nice, awesome video I will be dropping, you take your time, you hit the subscribe button. Okay, now, okay, now, okay, good. Right now, you see what I'm telling you guys. GP. It says 19.9 MB. So if I wanted to download this, it's simple. I'm not going to download this because I don't want to waste much time in this video. So you just have to click download. Once it's download, you go check the download, you open it, it's gonna show you to install. You install, that's all. You're gonna have the application on your phone. So Aptoide is the same way you are going to download Aptoide. Okay, when you download app, when you search Aptoide, you see it brings it already APK pure download. Okay, so you're gonna search it. When you search, okay, when you search that, you're gonna see, okay, it gives you you can download from the original site. So you can actually download from the APK pure. You see, I already have it. Okay, so it's telling me that, or rather you can use APK pure. Okay, guys, take your time, understand this video. Can you see? You press download. Once you click download, you press install. You're gonna have it on your phone. That's one way of downloading applications. Any kind of application in life you've heard about it, you want to know, just go on Google search, any browser, you type the name of the app, in front of it put your download. You're gonna see it. So in case your Play Store is having problem and you are not a tech software tech to solve that problem on the Play Store. So some people think their phone is doomed because they all believe that it is for only Play Store they can actually install applications on their mobile devices, especially for Android users. So it's a very wrong notion. So once you install this Aptoide, okay, once you install this Aptoide, as you can see here, so you just need to open it, okay, and you can peacefully search for any applications you have in mind. For example, let's check for that same Google Pay that we couldn't find on Play Store, okay, and Google Play, for example, no, sorry, Google Pay, not Play, Google Pay. So this is Google Pay actually, okay, so it's loading. You see, we have it here. We saw it straight in Aptoide. That's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Let's take that Tamox styling that is paid for in Play Store. We are probably going to see it free for download here. Tamox styling, okay? Tamox styling. That's how you reduce cost for yourself. Okay, now you see we have different kind of, so you're gonna check for it. It brings just Tamox. Maybe like I said earlier, other applications you can find, and some of them, you see, we don't have it here. We don't have it here, but it's very simple. It's very simple. When you want to download it, you use the first method I told you. Okay, when you can't find it on Play Store, for instance, or you don't want to pay, just go to APK. Just go to APK. I'm sorry, Chrome. So this is Chrome. All we need to do is to write Tamox styling. Okay, guys, Tamox styling APK pure download. Okay, guys, so you're gonna see Tamox for Android, not it. What is our aim? Download Tamox styling Android APK. So you check very well. Free Tamox styling for Android APK. Okay, let's just check this. Can you see this is Tamox styling APK? Download APK. Once you install this, once you download this and install, you're gonna have it on your phone for free without paying through Google. So a lot of people do not know about these informations. Okay, they will just pay and boom, the money gone. So well, it's good you paid though, because that's how the company wants to make money from them. So I'm not actually teaching you guys to like, you know, to use people's property without giving them their benefits. So this video purposely is just to educate you all the means on how you can install your applications. So that's a disclaimer, please. Okay, take note of that. So and then I'm also going to show you guys an application called F-Droid. Can you see this is F-Droid? Okay, it's also like Aptoide. It's also like Play Store, like other applications you can use to download other applications. For example, let's say I want WhatsApp. I can just search WhatsApp. For example, maybe my Play Store is not working fine. For instance, I could search WhatsApp. Okay, you see, it didn't actually give me WhatsApp exactly. So like I said, you may not actually see what exactly you're looking for in some of them, but you just need to, let's check for time of styling. For instance, time of styling, If you didn't see, you go check for Aptoide. No Tamox. Tamox styling. Let's check. Because I didn't write it well. Okay, because I didn't write it well. Can you see Tamox styling? Yeah, we cannot get it free straight. In Aptoide we didn't see it, but we saw it on F-Droid. So that's what I'm telling you. But if you didn't see it, you can just go to use APK way of downloading. Okay, now how do you get this F-Droid? Can you get it on Play Store? Probably. Maybe you search, you could see it. But if you can't see it, the same way, use APK Pure System to have it. You just have to write F-Droid. Okay, F-Droid. You see, it's even bringing their website for me. F-Droid APK Pure download. Okay, so you see, guys, it's bringing this. So you click F-Droid for Android. Okay, you see it. Then you click download. You install. You're gonna have it on your phone. It's as simple as ABC, guys, and that's how you can get any kind of application, whether it's recommended for your country or not. If you can't find them in Play Store, you go use the APK format, or you download the Aptoide and you check for those applications. Most times they update all these things. Okay, like if you're in Africa, for example. Okay, maybe you're living in the US for a long time, and you you decided to come back to Africa. If you search for West Fargo, you're not going to see it. West Fargo, West Fargo. Maybe you have an account with West Fargo while you are in the United States, or you back to Africa. Okay, you're not going to see it, man. Sorry for the background. My neighbors are bothering me. Okay, guys. So you see, we have West Fargo, but don't be surprised you're gonna check it on Play Store. You're not gonna see it. Okay. You see, let's check for WhatsApp. In F-Droid, I think we didn't see something like WhatsApp. So, guys, you see, this is as simple as ABC. There are other methods you can download and install applications on your mobile devices apart from using Play Store. So even if your Play Store is not working, you see some people be like, yeah, the Play Store is not working, the phone is bad. It's just the software that is bad. It's not the phone. You can actually buy the phone if you know how to do software installations on your mobile device, or rather applications installations on your mobile devices. So if there's any way this video has given you any new knowledge or increase your understanding, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for other videos that will be coming in, so that you and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you to be among the other people to watch the video. And please smash the like button. It is very important. It encourages me. Don't forget to smash that like button so that YouTube can help me recommend this video to other people to watch. Thank you so much for watching.